everyone, it's Miss Lopez. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the rubric for how we are going to grade your summary sheets that you will be doing all year long. Let's get started. So first thing you will notice is that the rubric is found just below the activity of the summary sheet. So here's the link for the document, and then here's the rubric itself. There's two parts to your summary. The top part is your explanation. Your explanation is science practice 1. You are explaining a scientific concept. You must use your words. And when I say use your words, what I'm talking about are your vocabulary words. So we are going to read through and we are going to count how many times you incorporated the vocabulary from your Quizlet into your explanation. And your explanation should be multiple sentences long. This is not a one sentence activity. You're summarizing everything that you have learned. So students who use 6 or more of the appropriate vocabulary terms will get the 5 points, and then you can see it just goes down from there. If you only use 5, 4, 3, 2, and then if you don't use any words, then it's going to be 0 points, although it's going to be really hard to explain not using the vocabulary when the topic is on the vocabulary. So hopefully you guys will do well on this. You've got to use the vocabulary words and you must use them in context. You can't just list them. I've got to know that you understand the vocabulary and how it relates to the topic that we are going over. The next thing that we're going to look at is the objective alignment. So did your written response align with the objective? In other words, what is it that you were supposed to learn? This is now asking you to summarize the topic. And so you are going to answer the objective. It's written similar to an FRQ. And so your response, is it aligned, or are you talking about something else that's not related? And so students who earn 5 points will have a response that is aligned with the objective, possibly more than one objective. And then it just kind of goes down from there. So did you mostly align, or were there key things that you forgot to mention? Then science practice 2. So science practice 2, College Board has brought in this past year, and it is a drawing of a concept. And so this must be your hand drawing, okay? It cannot be copied and pasted from the internet. You'll see that if you copy and paste from the internet, you get 0 points. So you may need to take a picture with your phone, with your electronic device. In some way, this needs to be drawn on a piece of paper, and it must align with the objective. So it's not going to be a random drawing. It's going to be a drawing that supports the objective for that topic. And so if you do submit something that's related but doesn't really answer or doesn't align with the topic, you do lose points there. Your drawing, if it is aligned to the objective that you are asked to write about, and it is hand drawn, then you will earn full points. If you are having trouble inserting the picture to the drawing, you can either email it as a separate attachment, but really all you have to do is just go to File, Insert, and insert the photo. Please double check to make sure that we can see it, that it's not too blurry, that it's not too dark. If we're having trouble making out what your picture is supposed to be, we're just going to go with 0. And it's going to be, I can't see, I can't confirm that it even aligns with the objective or that it's even a drawing. So just double check to make sure that when you take the photo and you insert it, that it looks well or that it looks good. And so this is the rubric we're going to be using all year long for the same activity. It's just what's going to change every time is the summary sheet yourself. For today, your summary sheet is on the properties of water, the structure and the properties of water. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to shout out, to email us, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.